How's it going there, YouTube? Well, we've had kind of a busy morning this morning. I was up to Charlie Church's in Queensville, Ontario. I went to go get some rim paint for the little W4, the silver argent color that the rims take, and of course the center of the rims are red. So I do have a little bit of red paint left over from when I painted the little W4 model kit a couple years ago. But I didn't have any of the silver left, so I went and bought some more of that. And today maybe we'll get some rims painted up and maybe try to paint some of the red portions if I got enough paint left over. During the week I also started to pull the wheel weights off, so I got the back wheel weights off now, and I'll show you guys kind of what I got going on. So I'll flip this phone around and check this out. Yeah, so she took a little bit of beating, but nothing a couple whacks with a sledgehammer and a long breaker bar I couldn't get off. So wheels look like they're in alright shape. That oily looking residue there, that's just from the penetrating fluid I shot on there. I used a little bit of liquid wrench just to go in behind the clamps. So the wheel weights come up around here, right, and they kind of stick on these sometimes. But I was able to blast in the thread holes here, so I was able to get those off, and I even was able to knock the carriage bolts out. So that wasn't such a bad deal. Things seem to be cleaning up here alright. I'm going to take some of this degreaser I picked up. Picked up some of this stuff from Canadian Tire the other day. Engine degreaser, so this will take all the oily schmutz off before we decide to paint. So yeah, it's up to Charlie this morning. Got some silver argent international paint. Kind of clean this up here a little bit. Yeah, she's definitely cool this morning. This stuff kind of stinks too, so get the oily schmutz off, and we'll start doing some painting. Get the wheels done first anyway, inside and out. I'm probably going to take a wire wheel and I'll clean up the rims here before I paint, of course. So this paint here isn't the original color. It's supposed to be like an aluminum silver kind of color, but I don't think you can get that color anymore. So I went ahead and I'm going to go with the silver argent, like off the newer tractors. I had the W4 up for a little ride this morning, hence why I borrowed the slow moving sign off the 145. Got a little bit of a wobble in the front end. She's a little loose in the front wheels, so we're gonna. These don't really need the degreaser, but we're going to paint them anyway. Start with the outsides anyway. I'm gonna, over the winter time, I'll jack it up and pull the wheels off probably. Get everything else kind of cleaned up, but I'll go up and get the garden hose set up here. I don't have a power washer. I like to use a power washer, but did not get that kind of item to use today. I could have grabbed one from work on my father, but decided not to. Garden hose working. It's not like there's anything real bad anyway, but oh yeah, found this wrench here in the toolbox, little W4 there. So I don't know if it's international wrench or just some random Craftsman or something. It's got something stamped in there too. Looks like a quality or something like that. I don't know. We got the wire wheel out. We'll have to take a look at her anyway. Let's get this tractor quickly to wash. Oh yeah, these weights here. If anyone's looking for a set of W4 weights, they very well might be for sale because I don't plan on reusing them. But if you're interested in them, give me a shout and we'll make a deal. Well, we'll see how well this works with one hand. I decided not to get the tripod out yet. Seems to be cleaning up just fine. In reality, what I should do before I go too far on it, should pull the hood off and the air cleaner and whatnot. I'll take that degreaser and I'll spray the motor down and all that underneath and power wash all that. It's not really all that bad. It's got some dirt daubers on there, of course, but you know, it's a farm tractor, so not like it's a new Cadillac here, but I mean, maybe when we get it done, we will. There's a Firestone tire over here. Not sure what it was last week. Anyway, let this dry off here a little bit. I'll get the paint out of the truck and we'll we'll go from here. This is the paint I picked up from Case this morning. C&H High Performance Enamel Silver Argent. So this is the same as what it comes on the newer tractors and whatnot. It comes on I think anything 1961 to current, but I know the W4 is a 1951, but the paint's pretty much the same color as far as I know. You believe these two cans here was 35 bucks. But anyway, we'll see how it shoots. Still got some of this stuff left over here from painting that little W4 there a couple years ago, but I'll see how long that lasts for, but I might have to go get another can of that because I thought I had a little more than that, but we'll see how she goes. Now this is just an old soup can. It came on the exhaust cover. We'll see if I give it a little coat of paint here. My cousin was over the other night. So that's kind of the, I don't know if you can see the paint fade on there on camera or not. I got kind of a orange looking W4 at the moment, but you know, we'll get it cleaned up. Haven't priced out a battery box yet, but saw one for about 90 bucks on eBay a little while ago, but shop around, see if we can find. Maybe I can start wiping the wheels down here a little bit, and I think I'm going to shoot the red first, because I don't really care if I get red paint on here, because I'm going to have to grind it all off anyway, but you know, let the work begin, as they say. I know I said I wasn't going to mask that rim part, but I figured, well, might as well. Not going to hurt anything. I got to do the little part here by the clamps, but other than that, I give it a pretty good sand with some 220, and we'll see what happens when I spray it. Alrighty, so I got the first coat of red on, and that looks 100% better than what it did 15 minutes ago. Anyway, I missed sending it a couple of runs here from the last guy that painted this tractor, but you know, can fix that anytime, but not bad for a first coat. I still got to go over here and sand this side up. But I think I'm going to run out of paint before I finish the other wheels, so I might have to skip over and do silver instead, but oh well. We'll see what happens. I'm off on Monday, so we can always go get more paint. Oh, and that's looking a lot better now. Now I got to do the rest of the tractor. But, you know, got to start somewhere. I'm all out of red paint now. That third of a can that was left didn't go very long, so oh well, I got 2 coats of paint on the driver's rear tire anyways, so one heck of a start, I guess. So I guess I can always go and shoot silver, but I've got other jobs I'd like to do today. So if you guys like what you see, as always, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and this might turn into a little series yet, so stay tuned.